Hi guys, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth and honest Askwonder review, so you are in the right place. In this Askwonder review, we are gonna run through exactly what is Askwonder, how does this work, how much does Askwonder pay, is it legit or is it one of the scam sites to stay away from. This way you could decide if this website is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching and as always smash that like button, obviously it helps the algorithm. Thank you. Now, if you don't know what Askwonder is, it's a company that introduces itself as your personal research assistant that can save you time by delivering answers and resources to your inbox by a trusted network of researchers. Not to mention the fact that it can make you extra money. Wonder Research uses members as a human search engine. They present their members with questions asked by companies and paying customers. And then it's the members' job to find an answer and then back that answer up with sources and data. Askwonder or Wonder Research was founded in 2015 and it's a USA company located outside New York. They call themselves your personal research assistant. Companies and individuals always contact Wonder Research to help them with some researches. If you want to make money as an Ask Wonder researcher, the process takes 3 steps. Sign up as a researcher, get research tasks and answer them, get paid. But you can just sign up as an Ask Wonder researcher and then start making money. Obviously, you are going to have to give basic information that's required from any site to sign up, but after that, you will also have to take a test to see if you qualify to be a Wonder Research Assistant. The test is an example of what you will be doing as a team member. They will provide you with a sample research question, and depend on how well you do on that question, you will either be accepted or declined. The idea of taking the test can seem a little bit daunting, but they just want to see how quickly you work and how well you are able to research new information and then translate that into a well-written answer. Writing and research skills are going to be the 2 most valuable abilities that you can bring to the Wonder team. They also want to see assistants that have creative solutions to questions. Every question is not going to have a simple answer that pops up with detailed research to back it up. Sometimes you are going to have to use several sources to create an educated guess as an answer. They want to see that you will be able to use different pools of data and research to come up with an answer that is not written right in front of you. After you complete your Ask Wonder application, you have to wait for approval to join the team, which usually takes 7 business days. If you get accepted as an assistant, there are a few steps that you will have to complete before you can start answering questions. They are going to require that you learn some of the guidelines before you just pick your first question and start researching. You will have to go through a course on how Wonder operates and how you should write up your answers and which sources you can use. They also have a database of different guidelines, great sources of information, and advice on how you should approach various topics. As a new Ask Wonder researcher, you can only work on writing jobs and sourcing jobs, which basically means beginner level research tasks. How many people who earn $150,000 per year or more want to buy a house but cannot because they do not have enough money to pay a down payment? What are the top 10 best-in-class subscription personalization experiences? This is just some examples of Ask Wonder jobs, so tasks are quite varied. As a research analyst at Ask Wonder, you can earn $8 to $35 per research. All depend on how difficult the question is and how much time you need to spend on the research and the data that you need to provide. You get paid with PayPal Cash and the payments process every 2 weeks. It's common for beginner researchers to take 4 to 5 hours to complete their first tasks. This means your starting early wage with Askwonder is going to be quite low. If you go to different review websites like Trustpilot and Glassdoor, the reviews are fairly mixed of people who have actually researched on here. The positive reviews, people like that the work was very fun and relatively interesting. They are always learning new things because it kind of forces you to get into that research mode. So if you enjoy doing research, yeah, it may be a good fit. They also said their team is supportive and another person like that The interface was very easy to navigate and also it had very flexible working hours. The negative reviews. Someone complained that the learning curve was quite steep and it takes a while to figure out what they expect from you. The researches and a lot of information to digest at first, and the questions can also be quite complex. Another person complained tasks that are supposed to take 1 hour in reality, they take 3 or 4 hours, a lot of time. Another complaint was low availability of jobs. So one person said there may be they get one job a month on average and no priority is really given at all to people who have been there the longest. And they are consistently bringing in new resources, see flood the marketplace even more. So it's even more competitive. So as the time of recording this video, it's a legitimate website. They pay out everyone on time. They are very professional. You can make a little bit of money on the side, but is they will allow you to quit your job and pay your bills? Probably not. Unfortunately, however, this is only a small side income opportunity. You will not be able to create a full-time income or get rich from this site. Askwonder isn't a bad site, but it's not a good site either. Other than that, you can test it out for yourself. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out and bye bye.